The Braun MQ505 Multi-Quick Hand Blender makes cooking faster, simpler and smoother. It features a power bell system that lets you blend ingredients in a flash, virtually eliminating splashing and saving you precious time. With 350 watts of power at your fingertips delivered by a precision, German-engineered motor, you can now easily blend, puree, or whisk your favorite foods. The Power Bell system blends food in a flash, reduces suction and splashing. You can chop veggies and puree your favorite soups and sauces right in the pot. The slip-proof ergonomic grip gives comfort food a whole new meaning. The high-precision, German-engineered motor is evenly balanced for power and long-lasting durability, while the easy-click buttons make changing modes a breeze. Braun has opened up a world of possibilities for creative cooking for you and your family with the multi-quick hand blenders. Mueller is so much popular as a hand blender. The ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. The full copper motor withstands continuous use and will last 3x longer than competitors' motors. The removable blending arm with fixed blade locks into the motor body for easy operation. The stainless steel S-shaped fixed blade quickly blends ingredients for smoothies, milkshakes, soups or baby food, and the quality whisk attachment is a perfect addition. The Mueller Ultra Stick can be used to make delicious treats such as salsa, pesto, pancake and water, batter, smoothies, cheese sauce, homemade tomato sauce, hollandaise sauce, whipped cream, apple butter, various Indian dishes, soups and cakes. Can also be used for chopping and making cocktails and much more. Hand Immersion Blender has a 500 watts powerful motor which can blend ingredients together quickly and seamlessly. Designed to blend, chop, whip, whisk, puree and emulsify. You can use the Turbo Boost button to control the 8-adjustable speed with ease. Chopping nuts and mashing potatoes with max power, or simply using the standard button to blend juice, shakes and chocolates. With 4-blade design, it is much faster and more efficient to blender food, and a detachable blending stick makes it easy to wash. The ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. Simply pressing the button of the hand blender, easily blend juice, smoothies, shakes, puree soups, baby food, mix batters, whip creams, whisk meringues, beat egg and more.